the kids in Kampala boys. Now to Gambia, if they are ready tomorrow, what should we expect? And of course, are they ready to give us this 10 years celebrations in Mbaya Ninga? But in a member, as of Saga Maimbe, Kampala, the Jembade Mwakoi, at the Mugina Soul. Nature Manuko,
Kacheche, Baraboy. Wewe mnaanza kupeleza kachaka kujira mnaikaha intirabe shunuzi bataye banje abantu kungamubye byoni bazajya cira aba media bakora umurimo gw'amani kwija kujira ngo baza press conference geji bakora umurimo gw'amani aba media tubakunda munonga n'abantu abandi batogitaho muri y'abamani abeshunguzi bataye banje bo bari kwija kutusharaho ekintu gitaho ahita sura western kwereka mu nimwe emyaka 10 mwashora kujira ngo mujaguriza aho itu bara ekintu cyamani so abantu banje n'abantu banyumwe n'aba supporting jesho yanje ni mbeta ibintu byo kwezi byanje cyakare muje mu supporting babitusi soja nambona tinaina ati biro wa man by the way biro wa man tinaina tadiko kuchireba ati wala naika kashaka tatirudi ustamani babiro wa man ile chamani Obatia show Zakai, Omana Bagabe. New Magragate is new Magragagiza Yawo.
Omanife batu igirize chebaite mpisa. Tuwegera ne bakamabo. Wana bastukira tu, show them respect. Musibire kurungi. I just love this. Kubanga burushebererawo mwinengeri jemu mulaga unity. Media personalities. Thank you so much. Obamba kubire ko mungalo bana mwe kubire ko mungalo because mwina solidarity je mutadewo mwine bintu byamani ebimuri no mugeta industry. We really appreciate your big work. BT soldiers, Kampala boys, mwewe kwijomuka. Tubade tumaze banga nga tufuna abayimbi obade tufuna shows okuva mu bayimbi be Kampala. Mwabaze wakechitegeeza namwe muri bana bachi tubanirize waka bantutanikiri kembo era ninyeta buri muhajizi wanje buri muhajizi wa music buri muhajizi buri muntu wena akunda ekibakweta entertainment izo bali yanchaka letali okurango kundi please come be part of us. We have a lot of entertainments, we have a lot of fun, we have a lot of buri kimwe chon. Just come early as I've told you. Shaheme tubeto akoze lekitwijize University in haza mulinde tumebe kiturabakora nimbeto mbwinji kandi nshaba nimwe ba bloggers kumura kwate content ekitukihanike bukirekare sorati abantu base kimangwizo bone kare nimba kuna mnonga Chakari University in, let's make it happen. Kampala boys already in the building. Salute for everyone. Press conference. Kutukwata content tumbika. Tumpostinga show yawa. Omona magwa press conference eji. No posting at kama isaba to B2. The show is happening. The B2C Baliyaha, and of course we're celebrating 10 years. Basically, show about the B2C. Abanda balijabe show mzaba kampani nga bitaba. They are coming as a surprise. But for now, it's a celebration for the Kampala boys B2C. Mweba munonga bana watu mula abaze kusawa munana. Lebu kwezi babagala nyine bagamba katuba kume. Wona banajira tusobora kubanga tuba coveringa tupostinge tugamba abantu bafera kuli ali ku live uli live no leba abashaba nimba already and are here. The other performers that will come boni sabaja kwanga surprise. Ababa chamba bali ku posta ne tomanya uje kubonja wanataka ku posta nje. So it's about 10 years of B2C. We have many friends from Barara, Ninga Western Uganda, na Kampala.
We are so happy, so grateful to Libasanyo Finyo okubanga tuli wano olwaleero celebrating 10 years. For the last 10 years we've had 3 concerts. This is the 3rd one in Mbara. Buli tukola concert tuja in Mbara tutekayo concert. So this time around is special. We are doing it bigger and better at the University Inn here. Era nga tuli basanyufu nnyo okubanga tuli mu maaso ga bannamawulire nga tuli mu maaso ga bafanzi baffe abali mu kutulaba abali ku live abali buli wamu mu Mbara buli Western Uganda mwenna tubaniriza olunaku lw'enkya mujje tudigide mu ffenna tukyakale mu ffenna okuva watandika otuwagira paka olunaku lwaleero obuyimba bwo tugenda bukuyingira bonna. Very good production, very good stage. It's going to be very, very special. It's a special day. Era nga ndi musanyufu nnyo, ebigambo byandibadde bingi naye bitono. One thing I'm assuring you is we're going to sing your favorite songs tomorrow. I wanna feel your body, tattoo your name on my face. You're so tempting. Little closer, come with a smile on my face. They got to walk with a memories. I sing on panic in a formula. Nelson Mira Compiao, no Ponya binocular. I'm a student, Yakuiga. No so miss approves, no so miss a singular. So, big up on yourself, everybody's gonna turn off.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm called Mr. Lee from the B2C. Also very happy to be here. Sometimes very sorry for being late. Saturday, because I'm but we're very, very sorry for coming in late. Yeah. Now, I got a person I have to do. For the very third time here, we are in your city, we are in our city, and I want to thank everyone who's part of this big industry in Western Uganda. I think it's one of the most rising industries, apparently. It is as good as the central one. As it used to be, Yalena Central, the industry, about this and that, but apparently, but mostly bamusinga okola ebintu bamutusanga ebintu ebisinga bloggers banamawulire mukola omulimu munene nnyo era mbeebaza nnyo omulimu ogwo omulungi n'okugata Uganda wamu central region gigata ne western region. It's a great work. Yeah. Ebigambo si bingi nnyo nga gye wabagambye. You have a very great products for you guys tomorrow. Tugenda bayindira ennyimba zonna. So we urge you guys to come very early tomorrow. Come at the show very early. Let's sit down, enjoy with us. Our friends are going to come through with us. Smile over, don't take it down. Going to pass by. So it's going to be a good time for us tomorrow. Come please, come. We enjoy the celebration together. Thank you so much and big up on yourself.
Morije? Morije? Yeah. Okay. I'm so happy to be here. Today is going to be our third time to be in Mara, and we're excited to be here because whenever we do a concert, what we think about first is we have to go back home. This is home, and whenever we're in Bara, we feel at home. So we call upon everybody to come and be part of this. This is a celebration of 10 years of B2C, and first we're sorry to come late, but it's from the deco, but we are very sorry. Those that we next time, so because this is a celebration. Let's come and celebrate lives. Baba celebrating our food day. If someone does good for you, please celebrate that person. Obomanyi bituse kuyimbira obuyimba obulungi, obomanyi kukoledde ebirungi, obomanyi kufunidde ow'omwagalwa, obomanyi ekoledde ebirungi ebiffe gye tutamanyi, because tetuyimbira myoyo, tuyimba music n'abakolera. So obomanyi bituse koledde ekirungi, you come and celebrate us, and we all celebrate together, because this is not only B2C celebrating 10 years. Kino twakikozeemu omukolo nti buli omu asobola okujja na celebratinga oba 5 years ng'alina omwagalwa we, oba 3 months nga lino mwagala wawe oba ku mulimu gwonna celebrating an possible. So you come to celebrate. It's just a celebration. So I'm happy to be here. Nze tuzze mu budde bukyali because you want to give ready. Tuzze mu time. So guys, abali eyo mujje mudde kubanga ffe ready tutuse tetugenda kuddayo mpaka nga tumaze okuyimba. Thank you so much. Mashallah.
Press conferences naye kati tusanyuka nnyo nga abayimbi more respect tubagamba mujje tukole press conference tugambe abantu babasajja baffe webali tinamwe ne mu respectinga request yaffe ne mujja nembeera press conference era bwe kibale n'abayimba abalala industry n'amadoza mugirabye kamera oyinza ogamba tuli ewala nene nga tuvuddewaawo show yankya sawa 12 emiryango begule poliisi elisitedde abayimbi balisitedde muwulidde eddoboozi. Yeah. So katigenda kufunayo nza kufuna ebibuuzo nkaaga nenga bishatu tubuuze so that tubanze kwirukanga abantu baze kutambuza content ogu. Tulinayo omupiira gwa team B2C ne Mbala Superstars. Leero sawa mu kitundu ku Mbala Sports Side.
This one is a player. This one is a player. I am the coach.
Nkimanyi gotosamba ogenda coachinga oli gwe manyi musambi no naye mugenda kakasa leero abanyankole basamba omupiira mugenda okitegedde tusamba tokanga. Okay, nyinza kufuna ebibuuzo nga bisatu ninga bina basically about B2C. Out of B2C nza kufuna one
Western Uganda. Yes sir. Kusima kula mwena bija okushanga mwena mwera mediated tubantu kuza music industry kwetera kubeya man. Namwe tusanyisa okubalaba kubanga kati ekindura bati n'abantu bonna bali wanene kyemanyi nawo ku mutima gyange basanyufu kimomanya ekyatugenda kikubira ddala kigenda kubeera massive ekyembadde njagala okubabuuza kiri kimu abayimbi ab'embala enkya waliwo abagenda okuyimba oba upcoming mubalinako kirowoozo ki banayimba oba mugenda teekawo embeera
big up on yourself. I've seen you for some time. Personally, NST conference today. Then I put my mutindo.
Yabadde mu Kigali TV.
Wadala we bali nekola.
Yama.
Na kutusa mubaka tulishuwa promoter amanya ezo batiyateka mpanji ne tulishuwa Kigali TV yategeera yategeeza abawagizi bangi era abalawo basookugana bangi.
Yama.
Kono basookugana bonna tuli mukola wano tuli mugamba abalala. Okola ekintu kyekimu ku nsonga esooka ebadde ku unity tukigeze tya okubeera wamu but meanwhile before I go that ekintu kyotera okwembooza ennyo nenkisanga mu criticism most of the time personal I've called Mugisha Richard my mom is in Nakole but nakulira mu Central Region kwanza nakulira mu Central Region saafuna chance eyiga bulungi lulimi lwa mama wange. So most cases abantu was actually sagala kwogera bogezi Nyankole but tumuhulira nesibuma
Mugisha
Richard
ayambe.
So Moses ndabanga sinogende sio party
oliwa kanu oliwa bushere
bamoti no bushere
yeah numi bushere yeah aba bushere mutenda zamana munongo yama.
Yeah, but answer your question today, we usually tell people between a new formula that you have to go to Katonda. I want to Katonda to many singer, even related, very Nagana, they are fighting and they even separate. They are not related by blood in any way. They're only friends who have been together for the last 20 plus years. I met Julio for the very first time in my P6. That's when I met him. I met Bobby around the same time. Bobby and Julio grew up this way together, very close neighbors. From Pure, they were together. Baka to mark this also. So Nabasanga, we became friends. So to finish our Mokisomala, besides it, I don't have to have a go. To finish our Mokisomala, we want to say to you, gave it to me. You tell me, Mr. Julio, Zembi, Mr. Bobby. So, this is the time I'm but another thing, to give them over to have groups, some generation, to be a generation, but they have groups, as good ways in the room. So we brought it as a group, to tufuna nnyo tukola nnyo research kati ekyo okumanya nti ki ekyasuula ddyo ki ekyajjawulo oba ki ekiremeseza okukola so bimwe tubigenda nga tubikiryalinga eza kwetuuka above all is God olwekyo
abatigirage ebibuzo byawe collaborations.
Both collaborations at the industry.
Yeah.
For the last 10 years, I'm sure we performed very well. One of those artists are Bakozo Bulungi. One of just one of us shown 10th year here is enough to show you have really done well. You have given me good music. You have done with young champions. You have done with those ones that are Bakozo. Because the music is cool. The music industry in Ghana. Inspired very many jala abantu bangi abagaloberanga mistari abagaloberanga bobiraki abagaloberanga julia abagaloberanga B2C I think tukoze very visible nyeli in the industry so we represented Uganda thrice in Afrima African level TV base so we worked for the industry day
thank you.